Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Guys, as my baby is sleeping right now, so I think this is the best time to make this video, and this is my me time, and I am today gonna share my favorite DIY face mask with you all. And whenever I got my spare time, I just made this and apply on my face, on my skin, and it's amazing, believe me. So it's made with very natural and simple ingredients, and these ingredients can be easily found right in your kitchen. So now let's discuss one by one about each ingredient and its magical properties. So guys, let's discuss the first ingredient, which is avocado. Avocado include natural oils which help in hydration of your skin. Also they contain antioxidants, vitamins, and also if you got some sunburn, then it has anti-inflammatory properties as well. So this fruit is just magical for your skin. Guys, next ingredient is some raw honey. So guys, honey is basically very good for your skin because it fights acne, skin eczema, cirrhosis. Also it has healing properties. If you have some skin injury or skin rashes, some allergy, then this ingredient is very good. So guys, the third ingredient I will use is the plain yogurt. So it has very creamy texture which help in making me the mask, and the mask stay on my face. So also it has antioxidants, moisture, and it locks moisture in your skin and evens your skin tone. So yogurt has a lot of good properties for your skin. And now guys, let's discuss how to make this DIY avocado face mask. So guys, what I need is 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt, half a tablespoon of some raw honey. So yes, this is yogurt and honey, 1 tablespoon of yogurt and half a tablespoon of raw honey. And now I will add half avocado, only half avocado. Guys, this is the half avocado, and now I am gonna mix it with the fork, and you can also use some juicer, blender, anything, chopper, anything, to blend it very finely and make a paste, make a face mask. This is the magical mask. So I'm gonna now mix it evenly with the fork and make a paste. Here you go guys, the creamy texturous DIY avocado face mask is ready. Now I will apply it on my skin. I'll leave it for like 20 minutes or 15 minutes or so and find the magical results. So guys, if you find it helpful, so please comment below in the comment section and let me know how you find it. Also, thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe my channel, and take care.